A fresh morning to all of you, grade 6. Today we are going to continue our lesson 2, page 10, Earth in Space. What we are going to learn in this lesson? In this lesson, we are going to learn much about the movement of Earth. Actually, Earth moves by two ways. Number one, Earth moves around itself or its axis, and we give it a name as a rotation. Earth rotates once around its axis every 24 hours, a complete day. The question is, day is divided into night and daylight, but they are not equal. They are not 12 hours and 12 hours. They are different according to the season, and the season is caused by the tilted of Earth's axis. For more information, we are going to start our lesson. First, how does Earth move? Earth moves by two ways, around its axis or around itself, once every 24 hours, which give name as a day. At the same time, Earth revolves around the Sun or orbiting the Sun. The Earth orbiting the Sun once every 365 and a quarter day, or 1 year. 1 year. While Earth rotates around itself, it causes the sequence of day and night. It's not causes day and night, but causes the sequence of day and night. And while it revolves around the Sun, it causes the sequence of 4 seasons. The questions, what made the 4 seasons? We know that the sequence of the seasons is because of the revolution around the Sun. But the occurrence of 4 seasons is because of the tilt of Earth's axis. The Earth's axis is a imaginary line that passes from the North Pole to the South Pole. It's not a fact. It's just imaginary line. So we know that the difference between rotation, which is the movement of Earth around its axis, and revolution, which is the orbiting of Earth around the Sun. And we know much about the axis. When Earth is spinning, it's spinning around a imaginary line that passes through Earth's center and the North and the South poles. We give it a name as axis. We can see the axis in this image from the North Pole to the South Pole. And we can predict that Sana'a will be the next sunset. And also which quarter of Earth we have of the way around Earth. Which quarter have noon and which one have midnight. Okay, based on the hemisphere that faces the sun is daylight. The hemisphere is away from the sun is night. Okay. Now we are going to speak about revolution. What's the revolution? In addition to rotation or rotating or spinning of Earth around its axis or around itself, Earth orbiting the sun. This is called the imaginary line around the sun, that the Earth or the path of Earth, this elliptical path. It's oval, it's not circular. We give it a name as orbit. Orbit. While Earth is rotating around itself against the pointer of the watch, it's also revolving around the sun. While it revolving around the sun, occurrence of 4 seasons. It causes the occurrence or the sequence of 4 seasons. But why a part of the sun has winter and the other part maybe have summer? It is because the Earth's axis is tilted or inclined. Okay.